how freaking cute, and it matches the bag. What's good with chat? It's Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be making a hair scrunchie. This is something that I've never done before, so we're going to figure it out how to do it. Not to mention that I'm going to make a bandana hair scrunchie to match the bandana tote bag that I made in my last video. So without further ado, make sure to sit back, chill, hit that like button, comment down below what you guys would like to see next. As always, stay positive, and let's get straight into it. All right, really simple. All I'm gonna use is basically the bandana. I had a few bandanas left over from the tote bag, but I'm gonna use a bandana, and then I'm also gonna use some elastic. Now, this is not a hair tie elastic, so I probably would recommend using hair tie elastic, but this is the only elastic that I have on hand. But I also think it's gonna give it the scrunchie a little bit more structure. So I'm curious how this elastic is gonna work versus the hair tie elastic. If this doesn't work, we're gonna have to redo it with the hair tie elastic. But so we're gonna start over here. We're gonna measure. I want most of, you know, kind of the, what is it called? Paisley pattern inside of the hair tie. So I am gonna measure, you know, about 3.5 inches wide. And I am gonna keep this folded so I can keep, you know, kind of the longer side. So what I'm gonna do, measure about 3.5 inches and then cut that out. Boom. Now when we open this up, we'll have this long strip. Now with this, we are going to just take the price tag off of there. We're gonna fold this right sides together in half. You could take a iron and kind of iron that down. I don't think I'm gonna take it, but I'm gonna fold this in half. I think if you just press it, kind of irons it down itself. Perfect. Now we're gonna go over to our sewing machine, and we are just gonna sew a straight stitch all the way down, closing, kind of making it like a enclosed, I don't know, sock with a hole on the end, a tube, something like that. So let's go over to our sewing machine. Boom. Then we have to find a way to kind of turn this right side out. I have a tool to help me. I don't even know what this is called, but I got this like tool kit thingy off of Amazon where it helps kind of put drawstrings in a sweatshirt. So I'm gonna use this tool. I'm sure if I had a safety pin, that would probably have been a little bit easier, but I don't. We're just gonna try to maneuver somehow this right side. I don't know how well that's gonna work. Oh yeah. Okay, this is definitely taking longer than I expected, but we're getting there. We're making progress. Actually, not that hard. Again, it's just we're almost there. Yay. Now that we got it flipped right side, now we're just gonna go over, cut our elastic. So for our elastic, we are just gonna measure it out to about 9 inches, I think is a standard size. So we don't need to stretch it or anything. 9 inches. Cut. If you guys can't tell, I don't know where my scissors are. I have to get new scissors. So I keep using this rotary thing, which is working pretty fine. But anyways, now we have to feed our elastic through our bandana tube that we have going on here. Now I know this one will work a little bit easier to kind of push through, hopefully. And we have to feed it all the way through. Hold one end as the other side goes through. Ah, it came off inside the tube. Goodness. Okay, let's try it again. What I'm saying, like, we gotta hold this elastic and then hopefully feed this all the way through, and we kind of gotta push. There we go. It's really tricky. You gotta keep that. And when this comes untied, we gotta hold it. There we go. All right, something like this so far. Now we just have to close up the elastic. Back over at our sewing machine. We're just gonna put this kind of overlapping a little bit and sewing this together. Perfect. So we got our elastic piece all put together. Now we just need to close up this piece, the actual bandana piece, kind of like overlap it a little bit. One side is inside of the other. And we're just gonna take this to the sewing machine and do a straight stitch, closing that up. And just like that, we have a hair scrunchie. How freaking cute. And it matches the bag. Like, I know my hair a mess, but look at the scrunchie. What? This is so freaking cute and it matches the bag. So fire. Quick little tutorial, little simple DIY that you can do. Make sure to smash that like button. You guys gotta comment what you guys would like to see next. As always, stay positive. And of course, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the sun shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.